Good morning, welcome back to my channel, Nick's Wildlife Adventures. And today, me and my brother have come over to Warley Place, not far from Brentwood. It's managed by Essex Wildlife Trust. So I haven't been over here for quite some time. I think there's a work party here today, so I might be a bit busy. Yeah, let's go have a wander, see what we can see. Yeah.
Car park.
Oh, you got a... So as soon as we got out of the car, there was a nut hatch just above us in the tree. And I can hear another one just up here as well. So yeah, we're going to have a wander around. We're going to sit in the hide for a bit. Yeah, go and sit in the hide, see what we can see. Looks nice, doesn't it? So the plan is to do a couple of hours in the hide, and then we're going to have a walk around and do some landscape stuff as well after. So I've got my other lens with me, my landscape lens, and it's a wide angle, so yeah, that's the plan. So we're just making our way to the first hide. Hopefully get some nuthatch in there. Get some, hopefully a little bit of footage of nuthatches. That's a squirrel there. Yeah, so I always try and make a plan. So I bought some peanuts, because nuthatch love peanuts. So I'm going to put some of those out when we get down there. Try and get some nuthatch action. Just up in those trees we've got some jackdaws. Yeah, I do like jackdaws. Don't fall over. So when you do come to Warley, if you're coming to the hide, I think it's the north hide. The approach path to it is quite steep, so just to make you aware. Obviously this part isn't wheelchair friendly. Yeah, just be careful, because it is, some places are quite steep. There's steps there, so it's not too bad. Right, so we just come to the north hide now. I haven't been there for a couple of years. Right, this is the north hide. Let's get these open. A few blue ticks out there. Right, let's get set up. Right, so we're in the hide, Warley. We've had quite a good variety of birds, including nuthatch, coal tit, blue tit, robins. We haven't had anything yet. What else have we had? We haven't had any woodpeckers yet. We've heard woodpeckers. Yeah, plenty of squirrels. They can do one. Yeah, I'll set up a little, put some peanuts down on this feet. Hey, let's turn the camera in. So just down there, this post, just there, put some peanuts on there, and I put a little bit of moss just in front of it so you can't see the peanuts. So it looks better in the photographs, otherwise you're just going to be photographing peanuts all day. Yeah, we've had natch on there, coal tits, great tits, blue tits, plenty of squirrels. Oh yeah, it's been quite good so far.